Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a bright and beautiful sun granny square. This design is perfect for adding a warm sunny touch to your crochet projects, whether it is a blanket, pillow or even a bag. I'll guide you step by step through creating the sunburst center and transitioning into a classic granny square. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started on this sun creation. For this project, I'm going to use a blue for the square and yellow for the sun, a needle, a scissor and a 3.5 mm hook. I'm using 3-ply yarn. You can use any size and any type of hook. It's totally up to you. I'm just showing you how to crochet a sun granny square. Let's get started by taking yellow color. We will begin by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger in such a way that it makes an X. Now insert the hook under the bottom yarn and pull up the upper yarn and twist it to make a loop. Chain 1 from the working yarn and take out the fingers. Now work chain 2. This chain 2 I will not count as a stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop. You have 1, 2, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again work total of 12 double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is my second double crochet. In the same way we are going to work 10 more double crochets. Now I have worked total of 12 double crochets. Now pull the tail to close the circle and into the first stitch to close the round 1. Now chain 2. This chain 2 I will not count it as a stitch. Now work 2 double crochets in each stitch, so in the end you have total of 24 double crochets. Two double crochet into the 2 double crochets into the same stitch, or in other words we are going to increase in every stitch. Now after working 2 double crochets into one stitch, we have total of 24 double crochets in the end. Now slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. Now we have completed total of 2 rounds. Now for the round 3, chain 2, 1 and 2 and work 2 double crochet, 2 together stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space where we worked chain 2, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is 2 double crochet, 2 together stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now again yarn over, skip first stitch, skip next stitch, insert the hook into the stitch right after the skip stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now again yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops or 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now again skip stitch and work 2 double crochet together stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now in the same way work 2 double crochet together stitch. After every skip stitch work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip stitch and work 2 double crochet together stitch. skip stitch, work 2 double crochet together, stitch. Now work the same and reach here. Now I have worked around the circle. Now I have one stitch left. Skip the stitch and work a slip stitch into the first stitch. Now your sun is created. You can see we are going to convert this sun into a square. Now don't cut the yarn here. We are going to work a double crochet with the same color, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, pull up the loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2. Now instead of completing the stitch, we are going to change our color to blue. Now complete the yarn with color 2. Now yarn over, work 3 double crochet into chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3. Now change the color here, leave the blue color behind, take the yellow color and complete the double crochet with yellow color. Now yarn over, work a double crochet on the top of 2 double crochet, 2 together stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now leave the yellow color, take the blue color and complete the stitch. Now in the same way, work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3. Leave the blue color, take the yellow color and complete the stitch. Now again work a double crochet on the top of double crochet 2 together, pull up the loop, leave the yellow color, take the blue color and complete the stitch. Now work 3 double crochet with blue color into the chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3. Now leave the blue color, take the yellow color and complete the stitch and work double crochet on the top of previous stitch on the previous round. Now in the same way, work double crochet on the top of double crochet 2 together stitch and into the chain 3 space, work 3 double crochet with blue color. Now I have showed you how to change the color. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now for the round 5, chain 1. Before we start over round 1, cut off the yellow color, chain 1 and work a single crochet into the same space where we slip stitch. Now 1 half double crochet in next 2 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, work 1 more half double crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Now double crochet in next 2 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again work 1 more double crochet into the, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now work triple crochet into the next stitch, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now into the next stitch. Now into the next stitch, we are going to make our corner, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the loop stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Work 1 more triple crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now chain 2, 1 and 2 and 2 triple crochet into the same space, Now triple crochet into the next stitch. Now 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Now half double crochet in next 2 stitches. Now single crochet into the next stitch. Now reverse this stitch pattern. Yarn over, work half double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now double crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now triple crochet. Now again we are going to make our next corner 2 triple crochet, chain 2 and 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over twice, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, chain 2, now work a stitch pattern, triple crochet. I am going to show one more side, triple crochet, triple crochet, double crochet next 2 stitches, half double crochet next 2 stitches, single crochet. Now half double crochet next 2 stitches, double crochet next 2 stitches, triple crochet in next stitch. Now for the corner 2 triple crochet, chain 2, 2 triple crochet and work the same as I have crocheted here, and I will meet you at this point. Now I have complete my square. You should be ended up at 2 half double crochets. Now into the first stitch work a slip stitch. Now chain 2 and work double crochet into the same and 1 double crochet in each stitch. This is my final round. Now into the corner work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet into the same space. Now work double crochet in each stitch and into the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet and reach here. Now work a slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. Now hide all the tails. Now I have hide all the tails. Now this is my sun granny square. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this sun granny square as much as I did. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your others who love crochet. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorial. I can't wait to see how you will use this sun into your projects. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye.